Did you know that over 80% of city dwellers live in apartments with limited outdoor space? Imagine transforming your small living area into a lush indoor garden, bringing the beauty of nature right into your home. At Dream Home, we use the power of artificial intelligence to bring your dream spaces to life, providing you with endless inspiration to transform your home into the perfect environment. Don't forget to hit subscribe and join our green living community for more indoor garden inspiration. Today, we're diving into the best indoor garden concepts that elevate your urban living experience and improve your mental well-being. Living in the city can feel isolating with limited access to natural spaces. That's why creating an indoor garden is transformative. It's not just about adding greenery, it's about bringing nature's calmness and healing power indoors. Research shows that plants can lower stress, boost mood, and improve cognitive function. If you've ever wondered how to make your city space more relaxing and rejuvenating, this video is for you. Whether you have a tiny apartment, small balcony, or window ledge, we'll show you how to make it happen. You don't need a huge space or a green thumb to create a thriving indoor garden. With the right tools and creativity, you can turn your living space into a lush oasis. We'll start by choosing the right plants. Many plants thrive indoors in low light, such as snake plants, pothos, or peace lilies. These plants purify the air, remove toxins, and increase oxygen levels, making your space healthier. Next, we'll explore vertical gardens, perfect for limited floor space. Vertical gardening uses walls to grow plants upward. Whether it's a plant tower or hanging garden, you'll be amazed by how much greenery you can add. We'll also cover hydroponics, a soil-free method that's ideal for small spaces. Hydroponic systems allow you to grow herbs and greens with minimal space, water, and maintenance. Air-purifying plants like aloe vera and rubber plants improve indoor air quality, especially in urban areas. They absorb toxins and release oxygen, contributing to a healthier, calmer environment. This video will give you practical tips for maximizing light and space. Whether you're a beginner or experienced, you'll learn how to create your own green haven. Let's get started on transforming your home into a vibrant, calming sanctuary. Living in the city often means sacrificing access to nature, which can impact our well-being. With high-rise buildings and limited green spaces, it can feel disconnected from the calming effects of nature. But even in small apartments, you can create a lush, vibrant indoor garden. The key is using vertical space and choosing plants that thrive indoors. Vertical gardens, using wall-mounted or hanging planters, can maximize space while adding greenery. Hydroponic systems offer soil-free, compact options for growing herbs and vegetables. For dim spaces, low-light plants like snake plants or pothos thrive without direct sunlight. Air-purifying plants, such as spider plants and bamboo palms, improve indoor air quality. Indoor gardening not only enhances aesthetics but reduces stress, boosts mood, and promotes well-being. With a little creativity and the right plants, you can transform your urban home into a green sanctuary, improving both your space and health. Before we continue, let me introduce you to HomesIGNS.ai, the ultimate tool for designing your dream home. In just 30 seconds, you can create stunning interiors and exteriors using advanced AI technology. Try it today and bring your vision to life. The link is in the description. Let's explore some of the best indoor garden concepts, including vertical gardens, hydroponic systems, and the power of air-purifying plants, each of which offers a unique way to bring the beauty and benefits of nature into your urban home. I'll also walk you through how to choose the right plants for your space and how to maximize natural light to make the most of your indoor garden, regardless of your living situation. Whether you're a seasoned gardener with a lot of experience or someone just starting out, these ideas are practical, straightforward, and easy to implement, making them perfect for creating a lush green sanctuary in even the smallest of spaces. Vertical gardens, maximizing space. One of the best ways to maximize space in an urban setting is to go vertical. Vertical gardens are an incredible solution for small apartments, offering a way to add abundant greenery without taking up much floor space. Imagine transforming a bare wall into a stunning green display, or using wall-mounted shelves to house multiple plants, creating a vertical oasis right in your living room, kitchen, or bedroom. There are several ways to create a vertical garden, depending on the space available and your personal style. You can use modular wall-mounted planters, hanging baskets, or even vertical garden systems that include integrated irrigation systems for easy care. If you're a DIY enthusiast, you can repurpose materials like old wooden pallets, ladders, or even shoe racks to create vertical gardens. These options provide ample space for various types of plants, whether you're growing vines like ivy or hanging succulent arrangements. Hydroponic systems, growing without soil. Another fantastic option for indoor gardening, particularly in limited spaces, is hydroponics. Hydroponic systems allow you to grow plants without soil, using water that is enriched with essential nutrients. This method is ideal for small apartments or spaces where the soil is either impractical or hard to maintain. Hydroponic systems come in various forms, such as countertop units, tabletop planters, or larger systems with multiple tiers. These systems are great for growing herbs like basil, mint, and thyme, as well as leafy greens like lettuce, spinach, and kale. If you have a small space but want to grow your own fresh vegetables, hydroponics is an ideal solution. In addition to saving space, hydroponics also uses less water than traditional soil-based gardening and eliminates the need for harmful pesticides. For beginners, there are many simple, compact hydroponic kits available, which come with everything you need to get started, including the system, nutrients, and instructions for easy assembly. Air-purifying plants, boosting health and well-being. Another vital component of indoor gardening is incorporating air-purifying plants. City living often means dealing with polluted air, poor ventilation, and limited access to outdoor spaces, making indoor air quality a key concern. Fortunately, certain plants are excellent at filtering out toxins and purifying the air. Plants like the snake plant, peace lily, aloe vera, and spider plant are natural air purifiers that help absorb harmful chemicals, such as formaldehyde, benzene, and trichloroethylene, which can be common in urban environments. These air-purifying plants not only improve your indoor air quality, but they also contribute to a calming and soothing atmosphere. Studies have shown that being around plants can lower stress levels, increase productivity, and enhance overall mental well-being. By strategically placing these plants around your home, you're not only adding beauty to your space but also improving the air you breathe, which is especially important in environments where outdoor air quality may not always be optimal. Choosing the right plants for your space. Now that we've explored some of the best indoor garden concepts, let's talk about how to choose the right plants for your particular space. The key to a successful indoor garden is selecting plants that suit your living environment, especially when it comes to factors like light levels, humidity, and temperature. For instance, if you have a bright, sunny apartment, you'll want to choose plants that thrive in direct light, such as succulents, cacti, or citrus trees. These plants love the sun and will flourish in a space that gets plenty of natural light. However, if your apartment is darker, don't fret. There are plenty of low-light plants that thrive in shaded or indirect light, such as snake plants, pothos, peace lilies, and ZZ plants. These plants are perfect for spaces where sunlight is limited but still want to bring in that lush, green energy. Keep in mind that low-light plants typically need less frequent watering, so they're low maintenance and perfect for beginners or busy individuals. If you're working with a small space and need something compact, consider selecting smaller plants like air plants or succulents. These plants are perfect for windowsills, countertops, or small shelves, and their minimal size makes them ideal for apartments and tight spaces. Maximizing natural light. One of the most important aspects of creating a thriving indoor garden is maximizing natural light. In an urban setting, where natural light may be limited due to tall buildings or small windows, it's important to get creative about how to utilize the light you do have. First, make sure to place your plants in areas where they will receive the most light, such as near windows or in spaces that face the sun. If you have a dimly lit apartment, consider supplementing natural light with artificial grow lights. These lights are specially designed to mimic sunlight and encourage plant growth, even in spaces that don't get much natural light. Reflective surfaces, such as mirrors or light-colored walls, can also help bounce light around your space, making it feel brighter and giving your plants access to more light. In darker corners, you can also use sheer curtains to diffuse sunlight, allowing your plants to get a gentle, indirect light that's perfect for those that don't like direct sunlight. Practical tips for garden success. Whether you're an experienced gardener or just starting out, there are a few practical tips that will help ensure your indoor garden thrives. First, always consider the watering needs of your plants. Overwatering is one of the most common mistakes made in indoor gardening. Make sure to choose plants that fit your watering habits, and remember that many indoor plants prefer to dry out a bit between waterings. Second, make sure you're using the right type of soil or growing medium. For example, succulents and cacti need well-draining soil, while ferns and leafy greens thrive in more moisture-retentive soil. Finally, keep an eye on your plant's health and adjust care as needed. If leaves are turning yellow or browning, it could be a sign of under or overwatering, pests, or a lack of sunlight. With the right plants, light, and care, you'll be able to create a beautiful and thriving indoor garden, no matter your experience level or living situation. Whether you're in a tiny apartment or a spacious loft, the possibilities are endless when it comes to creating your own green oasis indoors. So get ready to transform your space with these simple, yet effective, indoor gardening concepts. Imagine transforming a small, dull apartment into a vibrant, green oasis. The once cold, uninspired space felt sterile without greenery. By incorporating clever indoor gardening concepts, we maximized the limited space and added calmness to the environment. We started with the walls, installing vertical garden systems along the largest one. Cascading ivy, vibrant ferns, and potholes not only added greenery but also created a dynamic visual interest, making the room feel larger and more open. To address lighting, we placed plants near windows and used artificial grow lights to simulate sunlight, creating a warm, inviting atmosphere. We added air-purifying plants like snake plants and peace lilies to improve air quality and enhance the serene ambience. A hydroponic system in the kitchen allowed us to grow fresh herbs like basil and mint, contributing both practically and aesthetically. Decorative elements like woven baskets and ceramic pots tied the room together, adding texture and personality. The transformation proved that even small spaces can become lush, calming sanctuaries with the right plants, lighting, and design elements. No matter the size of your home, it's possible to bring nature indoors and create an indoor garden. Indoor gardening is adaptable, whether you live in a spacious apartment or a small studio. With smart design strategies and the right plants, any corner can become a mini oasis. One of the biggest benefits is improved air quality. Plants like snake plants, peace lilies, and spider plants purify the air, reducing toxins and releasing oxygen, which boosts your well-being. Plants also reduce stress and anxiety, providing a calming environment. An indoor garden adds personality and warmth to your space. Plants come in various shapes, sizes, and colors, allowing you to personalize your decor. Even in small spaces, creative designs like hanging plants or shelf arrangements can transform a corner. The key takeaway: indoor gardening is for everyone, no matter the space. It improves mood, productivity, and creates a calming atmosphere. Share your indoor gardening ideas and tips in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more inspiration on transforming your living space.